Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video.
She on my heart, I ain't going for nothing. I was so I came with a button. Roll up 3-5, I can't function. Stay out the way, me mugging and pulling. And I know that she know.
Back with another vlog. Yes, I know it's been a minute. Yes, I know it's been a minute, nigga. Shut that shit up. Shut that shit up. But before we start the video, I'll start the vlog off all doing what I gotta do. Make sure I like the video up. Hold on, nigga. Make sure I like the video up. Sub to the channel, give me that 3K, man. I love y'all, boys. Shit. So all I really gotta say, first stop on my to-do list. With my car washed. I'm not gonna do the inside, I ain't gonna lie. I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna get a car wash, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't feel like doing all that game. Just go get a car wash and call it a day, man. Literally. But also I gotta go get some new headphones for my studio because yes, it was my fault, gang. I broke that bitch. I broke it because, nigga, bro. Man, bro, because, bro, that shit was pissing me off, bro. You know how once some shit get old, I'm better start tweaking. You gotta turn in certain directions and all that shit just for them bitches to work. I was getting mad, bro. One time I done slammed that bitch. Motherfucker broke. Got stuck inside my interface. Now I gotta find out how I'm finna get that shit, the little broken piece, out of my interface, and I gotta get some headphones. So yeah. I'ma pick, hold on, Charles. Slow that little motherfucker down. But I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get to my location, bro. That motherfucker caught tweaking, ain't it? The motherfucker trying to dance on me. Alright, bro. Niggas that finally made it to their motherfucking hey. Chill out with that motherfucking GMC. But niggas that finally made it to their motherfucking destination again. Bro, I'll be nervous as hell to move around with this big ass camera again. I'll be trying, bro. Like, I'll be trying, bro. Like right now, I'm trying again. I'm dead ass trying, bro. That bitch better not fall down on my car, gang. I'm gonna bug up, boy. Look at this motherfucker. Let that bitch fall down on my motherfucking car, gang. I'm gonna bug up, gang. I'm gonna sue the fuck out the company, nigga. The camera, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna get out of my fucking comfort zone. Damn, hold on. Hold on, gang. I'm fucking shit up. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. But I ain't posting in 3 months. I apologize, bro. I apologize, gang. Me not posting in 3 months is insane. Insanity. I apologize, though, man. It wasn't meant to happen like this, gang. I promise you it wasn't meant to happen like this. I apologize, bro. For real. I'm finna go inside this motherfucker and do my due diligence. Y'all see that shit? I've been using big words lately to end my due diligence, nigga. Oh shit, nah. Oh shit, nah. Like, where's yours? Found this bitch. Oh, boy. Boy, I thought I was stuck in this motherfucker. Show y'all what the fuck going on. But hopefully I built the motherfucking courage to bring this big ass camera with me. God damn me. I need to though. I gotta get a motherfucking mic, bro. I'm trying to record a song, bro. I ain't recorded a song in a few days, bro. And this shit is irritating me, bro. But I got some shit to talk about, fam. Oh. Get copyrighted. I know you gotta win, fight, conquer. I'll be listening to that shit, so you just gotta understand. I go classic, I go loose, and I go drill, I go all that, man. And everything I do be a classic. No cap. Everything I do be a classic, boy. So I'm finna come here and give me a motherfucking microphone, gang. Cause I need one so bad, bro. It's a real nigga celebration.
It's basically very similar to Mugabe's.
Alright, bro. I had to fix my quality, yo. One thing I just noticed about just walking here. Motherfuckers don't look at you, man. But that's because they judge you, bro. You feel it? That's because they judge you. But on YouTube, fam. I'm gonna get these, though. I think I'm gonna go these. That's good. I might go these, bro. I think that's my best bet.
You doing card or cash?
Card.
Tap?
Yeah, tap.
We do our tap through the phones here.
Okay. Is them headphones the same as them up there?
These are gonna be a little bit better than those ones.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd say they're worth it for the little bit more.
I think I had them before.
Mm-hmm. That's ready for you there. We'll send you an email receipt and you should be good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want a bag for that?
Yeah. I ain't want the drinks. We're gonna try this first. Soda, chewing candy.
Soda chewing candy.
Yeah.
I didn't know what that said.
What they said? Been on it.
Oh. There's a video one?
Yeah. It taste like that little pink gum.
I'll be the judge of that.
You know
I
that?
can't chew candy.
It tastes
That's
like,
like,
it tastes like the gum that don't last long.
you know that,
It's soft though.
that toothpaste they used to clean your teeth with. When we was little on me, it used to taste like bubble gum. You know, when we
Everything
go to
too.
when they used to come to the school, the dinner people, when they used to come to the school, they used to clean our teeth, and they used to put that little pink shit. Yeah, but that shit tastes like mom.
I was gonna try this.
What's that? That's melodium.
Them chips?
Bro,
That
you don't get
motherfucker
cancer.
say, I need.
I don't know if these chips or not.
Well, I dogged the rest of them. That wasn't mine if I just sitting there eating shit.
It smell like after you just get done and wash the dishes.
This smell like the salt and vinegar chips.
Ass?
They not bad though.
Yeah, motherfucker good, boy.
Like these something like you would get tired of real fast.
Ooh, even taste like cheeses.
Yeah.
They don't taste like cheeses.
I'm eating that candy.
That would taste like cheese, though.
Nah, it don't taste like cheeses.
I'm like an old school chip.
Yeah, it ain't good.
It's gonna be old in a couple days.
Yeah, that do taste familiar. I'm so serious, bro. Them do taste hella familiar.
Oh, man.
Corn pottage.
Them taste like corn pudding.
What?
Corn pudding, rice pudding.
Oh, why the fuck
Nah,
you
them
eating
stink.
rice?
Them
pudding?
chips.
I guess so. I don't understand.
You gotta do it. Come on. We gotta try them.
Well, that bitch smell like, I mean, that bitch smell like, infant milk mix.
Like that stuff we used to cook in the house, that white sheet with the stuff on the windows. And the baking soda.
That bitch tastes right.
That tastes like spoiled milk.
That bitch.
Oh no, y'all playing too many games around here now. We ain't doing that. Throw that shit away.
Napkin.
These some little
Them the wafers, I mean the waffles.
them little stick things.
Them exotic waffles.
It's making me hungry.
Shit,
You
you
been
eating.
hungry.
They got flavor?
Like,
I just thought they just selling breadsticks.
That's the one sticks with the cheese.
Nah, I think these like the little, you know how they got like the vanilla con cookies and cream filling. I think these like that.
This tastes like kibbles and beds.
That bitch look like the little trail mix, the little sticks that be in the trail mix.
They better than them chips though. You want to?
What?
What is that, soy sauce?
I I put this down.
Why would you pour it down there? You supposed to eat it.
I'm trying to see what it is. They're not coming out. Try it.
It is coming out. Hmm? You try it first.
Wow.
Now, what if it's not edible? Vampire bad.
What it's like?
Shit. Bro, this is liquid crack.
Man, it tastes.
You're not supposed to eat this. This is like medicine. That's not supposed to be.
Wait, what is it supposed to go on something though? There's multiple of them though.
Nah, just fine. It's edible. It tastes like a candy. It's something sweet.
I ain't taste none.
Well, this is how it look.
It's like wax.
What the hell?
Put it on the paper plate.
It don't taste like nothing.
It's supposed to be orange though.
There's some more paper too.
Oh, it ain't just a liquid.
It does taste like orange. But I don't know what that is though.
It ain't just a liquid.
In the inside? Oh, it's a bat.
They don't got no original name nowhere.
Like shit.
These like
It's just that he dropping shit.
It ain't even bad though. It taste like Dr. Pepper.
That's a big shit.
That's what you don't use nothing. Those skins be so dry.
Look at them pretzels. You ain't gonna smell them? That's like Fritos. That's sweet.
I did all that shit.
Ooh, them taste like. What's that yellow cereal? The yellow cereal that used to be in that box? Poppets. Them nigga.
Hippie high, hippie low.
Need some sugar.
Yo, I know I didn't end the vlog when I was in my people's crib. So this is me ending the vlog now. You feel me? Now, matter of fact, before I end the vlog off, I do want to show y'all my song that I made yesterday, because if you watched all the way through, then you know that I want to go buy some new headphones, right? I want to go buy some new headphones for the studio shit. If you seen from the beginning of the vlog, that's what happened. Now, as soon as I got back to the house, I did end up making a song, and I want y'all to hear that bitch. You know, because it wasn't necessarily part of the vlog, but it was part of the vlog, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, I could have vlogged little parts of the song, but you know, when you get in that mode, and you in that mode, and I ain't fucking bring my camera in the house. So that's what happened. But I'm finna show y'all that motherfucker. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments, bro.
Like a little bit serious first round. Like we put our dreams before all that type shit.
Big ass camera, bro. Hear me out though, chat. Damn, I wish I could sit this down somewhere. I ain't got nowhere to sit it at. The city gon' break my heart, but I gotta go somewhere. If I don't stay on the track, then I ain't gon' go nowhere. I'm young, another 100 mil when I get close to death. I like blue strips, pink pages, music to my hair. Look in the mirror, I got 2 blades. Please don't switch on me. At these times when we up in trees, I got the cake cut to a piece. Niggas know that I like making music. This my ecstasy. I don't need no money from it. This shit helling me. Black truck, presidential shit. That's where I'm supposed to be. Don't wait till I'm a couple figures up to come out texting me. I asked God for all these blessings. He made it hard on me. Got all these scars up on my back with names, and they wrong with me. But I don't think the city gon' break my heart. But I gotta go somewhere. If I don't stay on track, then I ain't gon' go nowhere. I'ma be up another 100 mil when I get close to death. I like blue strips, pink fidgets, music to my head. I like money, I'm contemplating. I treat men just like family. There's not no further conversation. Ain't no passing me. We speak on all these fucking figures. Thanks for having me. I keep putting all these niggas in my circle. This a tragedy. I moved all low. I stay right by myself. It ain't no stopping me. I see them red and blue lights every day, but ain't no counts for me. I'm on the mill, fucking money. I be on one knee, speak down on my name. All you want, but ain't no taking me. Had that big bro, he wishing for my best. I put this all on me. I know the real, I speak the real. I put pain on these beats. I have to calling up my phone. How demons talk to me. Don't write none of my songs. Not at all this shit. Why talk to me? I don't think the city gon' break my heart, but I gotta go somewhere. If I don't stay on track, then I ain't gon' go nowhere. I'ma be up another 100 mil when I get close to death. I'm like blue strips, pink fidgets, music to my ears.